There was a time when a DSLR was the only way to go for professional photography, but the mirror system of DSLRs adds quite a bit of bulk to it, which is where mirrorless cameras comes in, also known as compact camera systems. The best mirrorless cameras to buy will likely be different for everyone. The type of photography or videography you want to do, your experience level, and of course your budget. All this will affect which camera is right for you. To help you out in choosing the best mirrorless camera for 2022, we have made a list of top 5 best mirrorless cameras that you can consider to buy for 2022. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which mirrorless camera did you like the most. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel. Nikon Z5, a nicely made and affordable mirrorless camera. While Nikon has done a solid job with filling out the very upper end of its Z range of full-frame mirrorless cameras with the flagship Z7 II and even found room for a cheeky APS-C offering with the Z50, it was arguably lacking an entry-level gateway to a full-frame. That has come in the form of the Nikon Z5, a stylish little shooter that offers full-frame features at an attractive price. With twin card slots and 4K Ultra HD video, it takes a few cues from professional bodies, though you won't be burst shooting at anything higher than the 4.5 fps. Still, with a full weather sealing, 5-stop image stabilization, and a spectacular electronic viewfinder, anyone making their first jump to full frame is going to find themselves absolutely spoiled for features. Consider this camera for its good price for full frame and twin card slots. The disappointments are only 4.5 fps burst and cropped 4K video. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Sony Alpha A9, amazing camera from Sony. The Sony A9 comes with AF/AE tracking calculation up to 60 fps. It also features a large and bright EVF that provides blackout-free shooting at 20 fps. With a resolution of 24.2 MP, the camera targets wildlife and sport photographers. The camera is equipped with the world's first 35mm full-frame stacked CMOS sensor. The sensor allows 20 times faster data processing as compared to the older version of the Sony's full-frame mirrorless cameras. Consider this camera for its amazing performance, incredibly fast and capable autofocus, and the no viewfinder blackout. The reasons to avoid this camera are balance not great with the long lenses and very limited touchscreen control. Sony Alpha A6100, the best mirrorless camera for most people. We think most consumers will find the Sony A6100 to be the best mirrorless camera for their needs. Selling around for $700 with a kit lens, it is not overly expensive but has many of the modern features you will want, including an excellent autofocus system, a fast 11 fps shooting speed, a bright electronic viewfinder, and the sharp 4K video. Plus, the A6100 has an excellent design with a good hand grip, as well as an articulating 3-inch screen which makes it easy to hold the camera above or below eye level and still get the shot you want. What you don't get at this price are the features such as in-body image stabilization, and the A6100's viewfinder is lower resolution than higher-end models, but these trade-offs are more than acceptable for this price point. Consider this camera for its super fast AI-driven autofocus system, up to 11 fps shooting for action shots, bright, clear OLED viewfinder. The disappointments are sprawling menu system and poorly placed video record button. Olympus OMD EM5 Mark III, small and portable mirrorless camera. The Olympus OMD EM5 Mark III is an exceptional and worthy successor to the highly regarded Olympus OMD EM5 Mark II. It uses Olympus' latest 20.4 megapixel micro four thirds sensors. And while this might put some people off, these sensors are smaller than APS-C. The image quality is very close to the APS-C standards, and it allows Olympus cameras and lenses to be especially small and portable. This new camera's abilities are amazing, including excellent 5.5 EV in-body stabilization and an amazing 30 fps Pro Capture mode with 14-shot pre-buffering, C4K and 4K Ultra HD video, live composite and live bulb modes and more. No other mirrorless camera has this blend of features, performance and compactness. Consider this camera for its stunning Pro Capture mode, exceptional 152 RAW file buffer, size and handling, and range of lenses. The disappointments are MFT sensor smaller than APS-C and there is only 20.4 MP resolution. Fujifilm X-S10, overall the best mirrorless camera. The Fujifilm X-S10 doesn't have the external exposure controls of the higher level X series cameras, but that is the only thing we can find out to complain about, and it is clear this is no amateur camera. As its build quality and handling stand out straight away, the swap to a conventional mode dial might disappoint Fujifilm fans, but the excellent finish, build quality and handling and the inclusion of the IBs, that is in-body stabilization, gives this camera a very broad appeal, especially in this price sector. To produce perhaps the best combination of performance, quality and value in the APS-C mirrorless cameras market right now. It even has a vari-angle rear screen, which is another reason why we rate this as the overall best mirrorless camera that you can find right now. Consider this camera for its small size and excellent build quality, vari-angle touchscreen and excellent in-body image stabilization. The only disappointment here is, as I said before, there is a conventional mode dial. So these are the top 5 best mirrorless cameras that you can consider to buy for 2022. If I had left any of the best mirrorless cameras in this list, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.